She is reading a fascinating book about space exploration. The students are studying diligently for their upcoming exams. I am currently working on a challenging project at work. My brother is fixing his bicycle in the garage. We are planning a trip to Europe next summer. The kids are playing soccer in the backyard. John and Lisa are getting married next month. You are doing a fantastic job with the presentation. The baker is making fresh pastries for the morning rush. It's raining heavily outside. The mechanic is repairing my car right now. The artists are painting a beautiful mural on the wall. The orchestra is performing a new piece tonight. I am learning Spanish to communicate with my relatives. The team is training hard for the championship game. The chef is preparing a gourmet meal for the event. They are discussing the new proposal in the meeting room. My sister is applying for several scholarships. The dog is chasing its tail in circles. The company is expanding its operations to Asia. You are looking stunning in that dress. The children are watching their favorite cartoon. The tourists are taking pictures of the historic site. The farmer is milking the cows early in the morning. She is singing a beautiful song on stage. We are celebrating my grandmother's 90th birthday. He is running a marathon to raise funds for charity. The teacher is explaining a complicated concept. The construction workers are building a new skyscraper. The scientist is conducting an experiment in the lab. The cat is climbing up the tree. I am trying to solve this complex puzzle. The author is writing a sequel to her best-selling novel. The volunteers are helping clean up the beach. The bird is flying high in the sky. The students are listening attentively to the lecture. The photographer is capturing the sunset with his camera. She is shopping for groceries at the local market. The actors are rehearsing for tonight's play. The family is having a picnic in the park. The athlete is swimming laps in the pool. The waiter is serving the guests their dinner. They are organizing a surprise party for their friend. The gardener is planting new flowers in the garden. I am hoping for a positive outcome from the interview. The tourists are exploring the ancient ruins. He is designing a new logo for the company. The pilot is navigating the plane through turbulence. The dancers are practicing their routine for the competition. The fisherman is casting his line into the river.